For ex-Raiders player Henry Ruggs wrapped up.
We are learning new information about what's next in his deadly DUI case. Fox 5's Inkirika Zuko was there in court and joins us live with the latest details. Good morning, Inkirika.
Hey, good morning, guys. So yes, Henry Ruggs was actually not in court today. His lawyers were there on his behalf, but they did say they did receive an official criminal complaint from the state. We're working to find out the information that was on that criminal complaint. We're working to find that out for you. But what I can tell you right now is the judge says that Ruggs has been compliant in all of the conditions of his release, but she did remind the defense that if he has any dirty or any missed check-ins, that his release will be revoked. Now, as of right now, the next court date is set for December 8th. His defense is arguing that the medical records of his passenger, Rudy Washington, should not be used, and they're going to be arguing that on December 8th. December 16th will be the next day that Henry Ruggs will get his preliminary hearing. Now, we also talked to DA Wolfson, who says they're having questions about Tina Tintor's dog, but he said that there will be no charges filed for that because Nevada law does not support any animal cruelty or animal abuse rulings in that case. Now, we also did hear from both the state and from Ruggs' defense, and this is what they had to say.
We believe the evidence supports that she was injured to a substantial degree, and Nevada law says if somebody is injured and receives substantial bodily harm, we can file a felony DUI charge as a result.
Please don't prejudge. Let us do our work in the courtroom. The state, the prosecutor will do theirs, and that's when the facts will be determined. And I really appreciate everybody understanding that and not prejudging this.
So DA Wolfson was referring to, as we remember, they were filing charges for Rudy Washington because she did sustain substantial injuries. We did ask Wolfson what the extent of those injuries were. He did not want to comment on that, but that is part of the medical records that the defense is trying to have not heard in court. So like I said, the next preliminary hearing is set for December 16th at this time for Henry Ruggs, and to hear about those medical records is set for December 8th. I'll send it back to you guys.
And I know you said we were waiting for more information on the formal charges being filed. Would these medical records being blocked from being discussed in the courtroom, would that have any impact on whether the prosecutor is allowed to file that extra DUI resulting in substantial injury?
Well, we did ask DA Wolfson about that. He says that because this is ongoing, he couldn't speak on that, but that is something that we will hopefully be finding out in the coming days.
Okay. And Inkirika, thank you very much.